Hello, HackWasmers. Welcome everyone to HackWasm organized by Confio team. We are thrilled to have you all here. As you might already know, HackWasm was born out of hackathon 4 years ago, right here in Berlin. Let's make history once again at HackWasm Berlin. Please refer to the rules and code of conduct on HackWasm page and behave well. All the submission will be done through Dora Hex platform, which is on the website, and we share the link there. And let me start by explaining spaces of this place. So we will use the ground floor. So for all the non-European people, ground floor is the first floor, so this floor. And then first floor is the second floor, and second floor is the third floor. So we'll use total 6 rooms. So 4 rooms of the ground floor, and 2 rooms on the second floor. And we put the floor map right there in front of the main stage, so you can have a look there. So all the presentation of the project, winner announcement, and closing will be done here at the main stage. And but when we are not doing the ceremony, this place can be used as a hacking place. And if we go turn left, that area, if you go straight, you will see toilets on the left side, and the right side there's a brainstorming hub where you can do brainstorming with small groups, and then right next to it there's a workshop area, workshop studio, and we have little signage everywhere so you can check where they are. And if you go upstairs from there, the second floor, so not the floor right above, the floor above it, we will use 2 rooms to relax and chill. So nap and chill, and relax and chill, where you can, take a rest. And we can use this place until Sunday evening for 48 hours of hack. But during midnight to 7 a.m., for security reason, we're gonna close the main room. Main gate, and you should come through the back door, the backyard. And you should always keep your bracelet so the security person can recognize you. Otherwise, random person will come for free food and drink, okay? What else? Okay, so now I will run through the schedule. So the hacking start from noon today until Sunday noon, so total of 48 hours. And there will be workshops and tech talks. There will be 2 workshops today and one tech talk, and one workshop and 1 tech talk tomorrow. So there will be a little bit of delay. So we'll start 11:30. The workshop from Aura Network, Kian and Kwang. The title will be 101 Hands-on Class for Developers who want to start their journey with Aura Network. And at noon, Dan from Cosmology will do a workshop. The title will be Supercharge Your D-App Development at Warp Speed with Cosmology. And then the lunch will start from 1 p.m. And the dinner is 6 p.m. And tomorrow, the program is on the website, and it will be as per schedule. So 8 a.m. will breakfast, 10 a.m. workshop by Robin from Abstract Money. The title is HackWasm Scripting with CW Orchestrator. And 11 a.m. James from Subcurry will do a tech talk, and the title will be Developing Better D-App Faster with Data Indexing. Oh, sorry, I forgot one. Today at 2 p.m., Shane from Stargaze will do a tech talk, and the topic will be HackWasm design patterns and best practices. Okay, so last day, 16th, breakfast at 8 a.m., and the submission ends at noon. Okay, and then submission should be done at Dora Hex platform, and you can have 2 hours of lunch and nap. I'm pretty sure you guys will be so tired. And from 2 to 4, we'll do submission presentation, and the whole detail will be discussed later on. Okay, so let me introduce judges and mentors. It's gonna be easy because all the judges are wearing purple t-shirt and mentors are wearing yellow t-shirt. So if I say your name, please wave your hand, judges and mentors. So Simon from Confio, okay, and Long from Aura Network, and Jaesung from Finsia, okay, and Christoph from OKP4, yeah. And Ariel from Neutron, okay. And here are the great mentors who will help you out with the HackWasm related knowledge. So if you see those yellow t-shirt people, you can grab them, ask any kind of question you want. So let's go with Confio team first. Okay, Ethan is not here, but Ethan is a mentor as well. Alex from Confio. And Jan from Confio. Okay. And Pino from Confio. And Mauro from Confio. And Bart from Confio. Awesome. And Aura Network, Jiang. Okay. I'm sorry, Kwang. Kwang. And Kien. Yeah. And Finsia's mentor, Daisuke. Okay. Joseph. And Minsu. Awesome. And here we go with OKP4, Arno. Yeah. Benjamin. Oh, Benjamin will come tomorrow. Sorry. And Joachim. Yeah. And Anthony. Awesome. And Neutron, do we have mentors? Oh, okay, on Discord. Sergey and Tom. All right. So now each of judge will come and briefly introduce their challenge. So let's start with Aura. Long, please come out here. Can we use the slide?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Hi. Hello, people. My name is Long. I'm from Aura Network. We also one of the sponsor for this event. So for our challenge, we have 4 major things that we are looking for. Okay. The first one is anything related to NFT utilities or anything, basically anything related to NFT using HackWasm. We are welcome you to contribute since we are an NFT chain. The second one is mobile development. We have a very good, in building, we have an SDK for Flutter and Unity development. So if you are a game developer, so you are a mobile developers who love Flutter or Unity, come and try to build something. The third one is, the third one is a smart account and account abstractions. We will have a TikTok demo of how for you to build our kind of new account abstractions using our module. Just like write a new type of smart contract wallet or something, and you can do that as well. And the last one is at Aura, we provide a bunch of open source infrastructure applications. One of them are kind of similar to Etherscan, but for HackWasm. You will see that in the TikTok. There's a lot of features there. If you want to build some new features, you can add in and propose new features. I know that there is a 48-hour hackathon, right? So you will not make a very complete product, right? It's impossible to do so. So any idea and a simple proof of concept that you can actually show that you can make the product and deliver it later on, we are welcome for any kind of project like that. And if it's a good one that align with the vision of our network, we are very gladly to maybe like further work with you to make the product go to life. Okay. Thank you. I think that's it.
Thank you. And now, Jason from Finian, please.
Okay, hi everyone. We are Finian, who is diligently construct a robust Web3 ecosystem recently, and we are established a strong presence in Asia already, but we look for far beyond become leading Web3 platform globally. And we look forward to outstanding financial related project in this hackathon, but it doesn't matter what you build in this hackathon. So yeah, feel free to join our mainnet track. And yeah, we also support two testnet and a layer to support your project. And we also implement some different feature for HackWasm contract, which is called dynamic link, which is already presented by Daisuke before HackWasm. So if you are familiar with use Solidity or any other smart contract platform who is called directly another contract function, yeah, I think yeah, it's good to use our mainnet track. So thank you.
Thank you. And now, Christoph from OKP4, please come to the stage and explain your challenge.
Okay, hello everyone. So I'm Christoph from OKP4. So basically, OKP4 is a blockchain that enables any resources to be shared. And by any resources, I mean datasets, algorithm, data processing services, and so on. And for this hackathon, we have considered 4 challenges. The first one is about implementing smart contracts, and the first one is about implementing a smart contract which enables to produce side effects based on governance rules. So governance rules are just about describing what a user can do or cannot do, but we have to produce some side effects to have some actions regarding some kind of agreement effects. And we would be very interested in having such a contract in our testnet. And the second smart contract is a little bit more challenging because currently, so if you have assisted to my tech talk I gave yesterday about the code as rule, so we have already a module, an SDK module, that implements a Prolog interpreter. And it would be very nice to have such an interpreter as a smart contract, as a HackWasm smart contract in the blockchain. So maybe it would be a very good idea to do that during the hackathon, but it's quite challenging. The 2 other challenges, the first one is about developing an application that is able to bring some features of the smart contract we have already developed and bring the features to the user. You can use any technology you want, any programming languages, but we would prefer for you to develop a text-based UI. Okay, we like command line and so on. So maybe it's if you're a geek, you will understand, of course, what I mean. And the last challenge would be to develop a VS Code plugin extension. So when you have to write governance rules using your favorite editor, which is VS Code in this case, it would be nice to have some interaction with the blockchain and to have the feedback directly on your editor while you are designing your governance. Okay, so that's it, and let's start coding. Thank you.
And last but not least, Ariel from Neutron, please come to the stage and explain your challenge.
Hey everybody. So Neutron is a cross-chain a smart contract platform. It allows you to build applications that can communicate across multiple blockchains, especially for DeFi use cases. And so our challenge is to build an application that runs on the Neutron testnet and interacts with at least one other testnet of your choice and leverages the more advanced cross-chain features that Neutron comes packaged with, like the ability to query data from other chains or execute transactions, from your smart contract to control an account on another chain, execute transactions, do callbacks. And so our challenge is to build an application that leverages this technology on at least 2 testnet, including ours. And for doing that, we kind of got rugged on visas. So unfortunately, our mentors are not here today. But we've set up the right infrastructure. So if you want to talk to our devs, get information about our code, get support in building using it, then you can come to our booth and we'll put you in a Discord group where our devs will be live and available in chat, but also in voice chats. So you can get the support that you need to be able to ship something cool in this hackathon. So we're excited to see what you're going to build, and good luck.
Thank you. So 11:30, there will be Aura Network workshop at the workshop studio, and 12:30 dance workshop at the same place, and 1 p.m. we'll have the lunch. And it starts at noon. Happy hacking. Thank you, everybody.